right. I have a tip for anyone who wants to attend a job interview. There is one question which is very important. One question which, if you answer it well, you are more likely to land the job. And this question is, why should we hire you? Suppose you are freshman, you don't have the results to show, you are just from college, from university, or from school. What you need to do is to tie your personality to productivity. In other words, you have to sell the personality ticket. So there are 4 possible responses you can give. 1, you can say, they must hire you because you are the easiest person to correct. Another point is, they must hire you because you get the instruction once, not twice, not thrice, only once. Then another thing, you can tell them that you complete whatever you have started. It doesn't matter whether you are about to sign off. If you start something, you have to complete it first before you leave. Then lastly, you can talk about your ability to work well with others. In other words, you have to show that you have emotional empathy and emotional intelligence, which is a good sign that you can be a team member. So, game changer, whenever you are asked this question, why should we hire you? These are 4 possible responses. This is Coach Chenjerai Mukandiona. I'm a mindset coach. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to share with your colleagues.